This video explains how to buy shares of Relmada Therapeutics Inc. Search phrase, how to buy shares of Relmada Therapeutics Inc. Relmada is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RLMD, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to trade, and will use eToro as the demonstration platform. After registering, you will need to verify your identity with a valid ID and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker RLMD, then locate and select Relmada Therapeutics Inc. from the results to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the company overview and recent news. View the price chart and confirm the listing shows Relmada Therapeutics Inc. with ticker RLMD on NASDAQ. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade is placed. For the eToro example link, check the description below.